we are at day 4 and today we're going to use the vanilla hemp smoothie bomb, and I have some banana, some spinach, some frozen blueberries and some oat milk. Let's start by putting in the banana. Just half banana is fine. Then I've got some blueberries. Now when it comes to the shopping list, I've put frozen and just regular blueberries. I often use the frozen ones more because I find that they're bringing the cold to the smoothie, but you know, like you can add ice as well. If they're cheaper to buy the other way, buy them the other way, but this is how I'm going today. Now the blueberries have a lot of antioxidants, really good for hydration of the skin, and some green spinach. All right, so I'm going to put in some milk. This is the oat milk. And then I'm going to, it's hidden in the top, the vanilla hemp smoothie bomb. Open it up. Let's crumble this in. Remember to crumble. I've noticed that some of you are still just dropping them in. They really do need to be crumbled. It will make such a difference to the way your smoothie turns out. Okay, that's about it. And let's give it the buzz. So take the lid off. And I'm sure that after having 3 days of green smoothies, you're going to be looking forward to this one. And it is really yum. Let me know what you think.